This tiny packet of instant noodles begins an incredible journey inside one of the world's most advanced food factories. In just a few minutes, millions of people can enjoy them. But making every single noodle block is a precise industrial process. From raw wheat flour to the final sealed package. This is how instant noodles are really made.
The process starts with carefully selected wheat flour, the main ingredient that gives the noodles their structure. The flour is tested for moisture, texture, and consistency before production can begin.
Powerful mixing blades combine everything until the dough reaches a perfectly even consistency. Water, salt, and carefully measured ingredients are added to create the perfect noodle dough. Then the flour is automatically transferred into massive industrial mixing machines. The finished dough now moves automatically toward the next stage of production. Each roller with incredible precision.
By the end of the rolling process, the dough has become a long, perfectly even sheet.
Next, precision cutting blades transform the dough sheet into thousands of thin noodle strands.
These strands are now beginning to look like the instant noodles we recognize.
A special mechanical process creates the famous curly shape of instant noodles. The waves help create the familiar texture and allow the noodles quickly later. The freshly shaped noodles now enter a long steam chamber for controlled cooking. Inside, carefully controlled heat partially cooks the noodles while preserving their structure. After steaming, the soft noodles continue automatically toward the shaping section.
Each portion is carefully folded and formed into its familiar noodle block.
The noodle blocks must now be preserved by removing most of their moisture. Controlled heat turns the soft noodles into the dry, shelf-stable product found in stores.
After drying, the noodles emerge lighter, firmer, and ready for packaging.
Meanwhile, the flavoring ingredients are prepared in a separate controlled production area. The ingredients are blended into a consistent seasoning mixture for every package. Every serving receives a precisely measured seasoning sachet. Now the dried noodle blocks and seasoning packets finally come together.
The noodles are sealed inside, protecting them, until they reach the customer.
Before leaving the factory, every package passes through multiple quality control systems. Special machines check the weight, seal, and overall condition of each package.
Only perfectly sealed and approved packages continue toward the final shipping stage.
From here, thousands of cartons are prepared for delivery to warehouses and stores. And that's how simple flour becomes instant noodles, traveling from a massive factory to your kitchen in just a few minutes. From a handful of flour to millions of delicious meals, one simple noodle journey ends with smiles, happiness, and that first bite.